عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله كفى والصلاة والسلام على رسوله المصطفى अम्मा बाद। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। वो सुन के आ जाए तारीख को पसीना, वो सुन के आ जाए तारीख को पसीना, तैरा दिया किसने मेरे खून में सफीना। भारत के शेर कितने मेरे खून में नहाए, भारत के शेर कितने मेरे खून में नहाए, टूटा मेरे लहू से कितनों का आबगीना। गुड मॉर्निंग respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak on 15 August, our Independence Day, one of the most important day in the history of India. On this day in 1947, India finally became free from British rule after many years of hard struggle, sacrifices and courage. It was not an easy journey. Our freedom fighters faced many hardships, but they never gave up their dream of an independent nation. We remember our great leaders like Maulana Shah Waliullah Muhaddis Dehlvi, Shaykhul Islam Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani, Shaykhul Hinnadat Maulana Mahmudul Hasan Deobandi, Maulana Muhammad Ali Mia Jauhar, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Maulana Qasim Nanotwi, Hafiz Zamin Shahid, Tipu Sultan, Maulana Rashid Ahmad Gangohi, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others who dedicated their lives to the freedom of our country. Some fought with non-violence, some with revolutionary spirit, but all of them had one goal: to give India freedom and dignity. Because of their sacrifices, we can live in a free country today. My dear audience, Independence Day is not only for celebrate, but also a day to remember our responsibilities. Freedom does not mean we can do anything without thinking. It means we should use our right wisely and work hard for the growth of our nation. As citizens of India, it is our duty to respect our country, follow the law, stay united, and help one another. India had made great progress since independence. We have grown in education, science, technology, sports, space research, and many other fields. Our scientists, soldiers, doctors, teachers, farmers, and workers all are helping to build a stronger nation. The tricolor flying high fills every Indian heart pride. But along with achievements, we also face challenges like poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, pollution, and corruption. To solve these problems, we need honesty, hard work, discipline, and unity. The future of India depends on the youth of our country. If young people work with dedication and love for the nation, India can become stronger and more developed. On this special day, let us promise ourselves that we will be good citizens, respect our national symbols, and always keep our country's pride above everything. We should never forget the sacrifices made for our freedom. Let us protect the independence we have received and contribute to the progress of our nation. In the end, I would like to say that Independence Day is a moment of pride, gratitude, and responsibility for every Indian. Let us celebrate this day with joy and also with respect in our hearts for our motherland. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.